If you want to hide indicator icons in status bar on Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to go to the Galaxy Store. Now in here we're going to use the search option in the upper right corner. Then we can use the search field at the bottom, and we need to find Good Luck app. This is the app that we are looking for. Once you install this app, we can of course open it. And then inside that app, we can find a bunch of additional plugins or additional apps that we can get that allow us to access various settings that are usually not available by default. So in here, we need to find Quick Start, which is this one over here. And we can just simply use this arrow on the right side in order to start downloading that plugin. Once the plugin is installed, you will find it here at the top. And once it is installed, we can just tap on it to open it. We need to turn on a Quick Start over here, and then we have a visibility of indicator icons. Now here, we can simply toggle all of these icons that we usually have visible. So for example, if you do not need to see the mobile data signal all the time, you can just turn it off. Or if you don't need the Wi-Fi icon, you can hide it as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.